All right, so today you've already seen the repeat loop. You've played with it. I just need to sort of go through some certain things, and we're going to talk about drawing a little bit more using the repeat loop. So if you could just sort of watch up here. I know what you're doing is important to you, okay, but I need to show you certain things. Okay, so repeat loop. Can you repeat that, please? You should have a handout as well. Okay, it says lesson 2 on the top, right? So a computer can perform repetitive tasks efficiently. What does the code written below in Scratch do? So let's just have a quick look at this code here. So we've got when the arrow is clicked, okay, we're going to hide. So we're going to hide the cat. We're going to clear everything on the screen. We're going to lift our pen up. We're going to set the pen color to red. And we're going to go to the center of the screen. We're going to put the pen down. And we're going to repeat the following thing 4 times. Okay, we're going to move 100 steps. We're going to turn 90 degrees. We're going to wait a second. What is that script going to do?
Make a square.
In what color?
Red.
Starting where?
In the middle.
In the middle. And is Scratch going to be there?
No.
No, the cat's not going to be there. Okay? Now, this is what's known as a definite loop. Okay? That is an expression that you need to know. A definite loop. I expect you to know that. Definite loop. It repeats 4 times. When I say definite, I mean I know exactly how many times the loop is going to repeat. How many times? 4 times. It's definite. Okay? Definite loop. In the script, the loop will repeat the steps of the drawing each side of the square and rotate to draw the next side of the square. And then I've got a little note here about you should create that. I think do we all know that's going to be a square? Yeah? Okay, so just in the interest of time, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I sort of want to make sure I get done with the stuff I have to do. I think we know that, right? If you want, you can come back to do that if you need to. Okay, this is one thing that I want to show you as well, the debugger, okay? Now, unfortunately, what I find is that the debugger still runs pretty darn fast, okay? But it is, well, I haven't figured out how to slow it down. If someone could figure that out, that would be great, okay? But if you go edit, start single stepping, and then when you run it, then it sort of goes a little bit slower, so you can sort of see, especially when you're drawing, what's happening and when the mistake is happening, and then you can figure it out. And it actually highlights the script here as well, okay? And then when you want to turn that off, you just go stop single stepping. Okay, it would be nice if there was a preference there for how fast it goes, but I haven't found it. Okay, so what I would like you to do right now is I would like you to write scripts to draw a triangle, pentagon, and a circle. Okay, use the repeat loop. Now what you can do is you can use this one right here. I would set that one up, draw your square, and then I want you to change it so that it becomes a triangle, a pentagon, and a circle.
And the save it.
Okay, and then save it, okay? You might remember from, I'm not sure what math course it is anymore, you might remember that the angle between sides can be calculated by 360 divided by the number of sides. A square has how many sides? 360 divided by 4 is? 90. 90. That's why we turn 90 degrees. So if I'm going to do a triangle, 360 divided by?
3
is?
120.
120. Very good. Okay? Very good. Okay. So I would like you to make a triangle, make a pentagon, and see if you can figure out how to do a circle.